Hello guys and welcome to today's session. We're looking at Nasdaq today, and the trade idea for me personally is very bearish today, and it's for quite some reasons. And first one of them is that we've been going up for the past few days. As you can see, it's a really good trend, like higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and that. But when we came up here, I think it was Wednesday, something pretty interesting happened to me, or not to me, or on the overall market, of course. But for me, this is interesting because after making this, you see higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and here we broke this level of the up close candles. And for me, that's the first signal of maybe a change in the state of delivery. So this one signals to me a change, of course, in the state of delivery. But for me to confirm that we've shifted the trend completely, I needed a leg down, another leg down, and we actually got it. So we made, you see higher high, lower low, higher low. We actually broke it by some ticks on this news release here yesterday. But the most important thing is that we closed beyond this low. So now you can see, if we want to continue lower, we need to see higher lows and lower lows. But this thing happened here, and this was a pretty choppy session yesterday. I'm just erase these. So this one came back, tested this order block, if we can call it like that, and you see we have really much trouble of closing beyond the level here. So we're just stuck in a big range. As you can see, we have the range high here and the range low there, and the price has just been like in between. So for me, ideally, to look for to trade it lower, we need to first manipulate all those that are selling from this, the early sellers. I wanted to see them off, so I want this to go up and then maybe create a consolidation first and sweep the high of the consolidation and have a change in the state of delivery. So either we can look to wait for the hourly closures, but for me, I like to trade the 5-minute. So I would, as soon as we get up here, I would go down to the 5-minute chart and start to look for these signals that we are going lower. And the target for me would be, first of all, this low right here, yesterday's low. So that would be the first target. But if we also get a strong close, an hourly close beyond this level, and we see that we respect maybe the 50% level of this whole range that will be created here, I think we would actually go down even lower, and that we maybe will start a downtrend. So this is the trade idea for me. So I will not take anything right now. It has to take either this one, this high here, or this low. So the other trade idea would be that we get a sell-off from this level down here. So either if we close beyond it, then I would also look for the same thing, but instead of reversal from up here, I will look for a continuation from here. So we would like to create maybe a small range, a consolidation, and then I want to see it manipulate the highs of it, and then we have a change in the state of delivery. And from that, either we can take a short and place our stop above this level, or if you're really aggressive, I would look for like a order block or maybe a fair value gap that I have my stop loss at the end of it. But for me, I like to place my stops where it will be protected, and protected in such way that when we create a order block or a change of state of delivery paired with a fair value gap, for example, we know that that high will become a protected swing. So we have our stop loss beyond it, because if it breaks it, that means we are wrong and maybe the trend is not yet over. So that's the trade idea for today, and I will try and make another video when the New York session has done its damage, if we can say that. So I'll see you guys later.